Okay, up first we have our quads. We're going to be rolling back and forth from the top of our knees up to the base of our hips. We're not trying to roll over any bones or joints, just on the meat. And I'm keeping my core tight as I'm doing this. I'm not trying to hurt my low back at the same time and trying to keep my legs limp. Now we'll move on to IT band. Most people can't tolerate their full body weight, so if you take your top leg over and plant it on the ground, you can take a little bit of weight off. Same thing, I'm staying in my thigh. I'm not going to roll over the outside of my hips, and I'm not rolling over my knees. I'm just staying in between. Then we're going to move on to the inside of our leg, our adductors. It's okay if you can't get the roller all the way up into your groin. I'm going just above my knee, kind of flaring my leg out to the side to get it on that roller. Last up, we have your calves. I like to do this one at a time so I can control the weights a little bit more, and then I can get the inside and outside of my calves. Notice my ankle is relaxed. You have to let your muscle go limp so that the roller can do some work.